Good day, fret friends. So this video, it's not about a guitar. It's a video I probably never thought I'd be recording, and probably don't want to put out, but I'm going to put it out, and I feel I've got to put it out just to be straight with you guys and let you know how things are. And don't get me wrong, I love Fret Friend, I love the work I do, I have a passion for it, absolutely love doing it, but as things are, there may be some changes on the horizon, and that's because nothing to do with the work or my desire or whatever. It's all to do with illness, and most of, well, hardly any of you will know that I've been ill a lot in the past 8 years with a couple of things, nothing particularly life-threatening, but certainly life-changing and intrusive in my life. But the worst, not the worst thing I've had wrong with me, but one thing that's really been bugging me this last 3 years is I start getting pain behind my eyes. I went and had my eyes tested, and they said you need glasses, this, that and the other, and that didn't fix it. So I went to hospital, I went to doctors, hospital, whatever. It said you got a blocked sinus. So I've been treated for this blocked sinus, and it's 3 years now, and I have headaches every single day behind my eyes. And everything I've tried and every test I've had has shown nothing, and nothing's cured it, and what have you. And it's got to the point where with my job at Royal Mail and working here, I can't do both, and I'm not quitting my job at Royal Mail. Because it is bread and butter and I love working there, and if I quit this job, this Royal Mail job, Fret Friend, I'd still enjoy it, but the reason I went and got a job at Royal Mail is because I was sick of being in the house 7 days a week, because my workshop is at home. So I'm not giving up a Royal Mail job, so it's come to the point where I'm thinking of cutting back what I do at Fret Friend, and by cutting back I mean even to the point of actually not closing down for good, but really cutting back and just telling people, look, I can't commit to the workshop. Now the thing is, this year it's been terrible. I have headaches every single day now because of another condition. I can only take one painkiller, that's paracetamol, and you're only allowed 8 a day. That's not enough to deal with the pain I'm in behind the eyes and the headaches and the blocked sinus. Now I'm having treatment for the sinus, and I'm flushing, I've got these kits and all sorts, I'm doing everything I can, but it's got to where I can manage when I'm out on my round, I can manage my job at Royal Mail, but once I've had about 6 paracetamols, which is normally the time I finish my round, when I get home and pain's starting to kick in and I can't really do anything, and I don't want to be working. I'm tired, I'm not sleeping, I've not slept well for, last night for instance, I was awake every hour. In fact the last 4 or 5 days I've been awake. I'm getting up at 4 in the morning, making a cup of tea, coming downstairs, can't sleep, I'm absolutely knackered. And it's got to the point where none of this probably comes across in my videos, but trust me guys when I tell you, I'm not a Mardy guy. My missus will tell you, you never complain about anything. And I'm a positive person. But the pain I have to deal with is, and it's not ferocious, it's just champing at the bit, gnawing away in the background behind my eyes all the time. And I just cannot be arsed. I don't have the desire or the energy to keep doing this work. And I've got a queue at the moment, let me tell you. The queue I've got on Facebook right now, I think it's 32 in the queue. I've got about 50 in the queue at the moment. There's a load on there I've not even put on. And I'm not getting anything done. I'm coming back, I'm going to work on a guitar this afternoon and what have you. And I'm going to be fine doing it because I feel okay today. But tomorrow I might feel like shit. I might feel really bad and just have no drive to do it, no energy or whatever. And I can't guarantee that these guitars are going to get done. So as things are, I'm going to ride it for a couple of weeks. I'm going to review it in the new year. I'm taking nothing else in this year. I do have people they've been doing quite a long time. People in the queue now have been waiting 4 months, some of them. I'm taking nothing else in this year. As from today, we are the 6th of December, year of our Lord 2021. I'm taking nothing. I've got 3 or 4 guitars in I'm working on. I've got to do a couple of refrets. And I can't even promise getting them done by the end of the year just because of this condition. I've got pain in my neck, my eyes, the headaches, and I'm not much fun to be around at the moment. I've also, right now actually, I've got a cold. I've had a cold for about a week and a half, and it was in my chest and now it's moved to my throat. I'm all bunged up. I've got this is a gross piece of kit I'm flushing out with. The stuff coming out my sinuses at the moment is pretty disgusting. But the thing is, I don't know what's happened with the test at the hospital. We've done every test and said we can't find out wrong. I know for a fact my sinuses are swollen. Whether there's a growth in there or something, I don't know. I don't mean cancerous, I just mean something blocking it. There's definitely some blockage in there, but there's no foreign body. So I'm going to go back to the doctors again, get another check, but I'm going to say, look, I can't be dealing with these headaches. And I don't want to be taking painkillers, because painkillers, that means the pain's still there, I'm just not feeling it, which means it's not healing. I want healing, not pain relief. Pain relief's no good. I mean, it's great, don't get me wrong, fantastic pain relief, not in pain, great. But I want it healing, I want to find out what it is. So I'm going to try and get to the root of this. I've got pain all around my eyes, all in the front of my face, my cheeks, my nose, what have you. Sometimes it impairs my vision. And I just don't have the heart and the drive and the desire to be working on guitars. Don't get me wrong, I've not lost a love for it at all. It's just so difficult right now. And it's all about the pain. More than anything, about the pain and the tiredness. So I just wanted to put you in the picture. I'm going to email and message everyone on my list and say, look, this is how it is. I'm going to get a point into this video. I'm going to watch this video. I mean, it may come to the point where I may even have to close for a while. I don't know. I don't want to do that. That will be an absolute last resort. But I really want to get to the back and the bottom of what is causing this problem with these headaches. Because these headaches, I get them all day, every day. I wake up with it, I go to bed with it. You know, and that's not good. And I wake up in the night with it, and I get it all throughout the day. You know, and it's really, really annoying. I'm trying to do my best, trying to stay positive, trying to be a good husband to my wife, and she'll say you're the best husband ever. I know she says that, and I know she means it, but you know, some days I'm not quite easy to be around because of the pain. I'm not in pain right now, you can probably tell because I'm able to shoot this video right now. But I just wanted to put you guys in the picture. I do appreciate that you put your trust in me, but I'm just being straight with you, just letting you know how things are. I'm going to message everyone, let them know what's what, and if you want to wait in the queue, fine. It just might be a case of me just slowing things right down and just saying I'm giving no time limit on any of these jobs. The 50 I've got in the queue at the moment, it could take up to a year. I don't know. Who's got the patience for that? I wouldn't. But there you go. So I just wanted to put you in the picture. So that is it. So until there's an update and something else to tell you, any more breaking news, have a good one. Before that, have a Merry Christmas. It's just come to Christmas. Have a great Christmas. And I'll see you in the new year. Be good to each other.